fighter. He turns it into a torque roll, and he'll back it up on the Hartzell prop and the Lycon engine that powers this Edge 540. All of it built in America. Bill is one of those guys who has spent his career over 6,000 hours of formation and aerobatic flight time, not just taking, but giving back. He is one of the great coaches in our industry and has helped many competitors in the World Aerobatic Championships and the National Aerobatic Championships to place very high in those contests. Way on the left-hand side of the box, gravity's gonna win. Watch him come over the top as he rolls through what they call one half of a Cuban 8. Now as he comes down, watch him now. He'll get down to 180, 190, 200. He'll pull back, watch him climb. Rolling to the left. Now hard roll to the right with a dink, and that is the knife edge tumble. What do you think of Bill Stein, everybody? I said, what do you think about Bill Stein, everybody? That's it. This takes a lot of stamina, a lot of skill, and a lot of passion. Rolling hard to the left, now he'll reverse it, rolling to the right. This is called the centrifuge. You guys like Bill Stein? Yeah! His full show later on. This is just a small portion of what he's going to do in his full-up performance later on. As he gets slower, watch the tail now kick to one side and back and a single tumble. This is called a ding. Hard rudder pedal, push one side, hard with the other, and the stick goes to the forward left quadrant and then stops that tumble. That is what Bill Stein helps use to teach aerobatic pilots how to tumble the airplane. Still in the air, hanging on the Hartzell propeller and the Lycon engine. Look at that, Salinas. About 1,300 pounds of airplane turned it into a helicopter. And we've got more to come from him and later in today's show. And he is finished. A big round of applause for this teaser demonstration. Just a short part of what he's going to be doing in later on in today's show. We have such award winners with Kent Beach, the Canadian Forces Dash 8 demo called Gonzo, Jeff Atamian in the Beast, and in just a moment, we'll welcome Sean D. Tucker to center stage here at the California International Air Show. A great big thank you to